Hello there and welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm teaching you Adele's top songs at the moment and I'm currently on Rolling in the Deep. And this is kind of a guitar song, but you can play on piano as well. Absolutely no problem at all. And I'll just start off with a C5, and a C5 chord is actually without a third. So that's what you get when you see a 5. And G5 is here. B flat 5 we also need. It's just imagine a B flat chord, but take out that third. F, B flat and F. Back to G, B flat, C. The closest one, if you was playing the C5 here, would be here to G. The closest B flat would be either here or here. You want to eliminate big movements on the piano, or you always want to be keeping things close knit. The intro just stays on that C5. And then it comes in. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out to dark. You can just hold the chords. Finally I see you crystal clear, or you can bounce them. Go ahead and sail me out and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, or you can play them like that. Reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out to dark. Yeah. We go to A flat for the pre-chorus. I'm just going to hold the chord. The scars off to A flat, to B flat. We go up a tone. The scars of your love remind me of us. That's G minor. They keep me A flat, thinking that we almost had it all. Stay on that A flat. The scars of B flat, your love, they leave me. G minor 7, breathless. It doesn't say 7, but I'll often play a 7 on a G minor, or any minor chord for that matter. Leave me breathless and I can't help feeling. Okay, that's G. You could again play a 7 there. Feeling. Leave me breathless and I can't help feeling. We're going into the chorus. We could have had it all. C minor to B flat. Rolling in the A flat. D. You had my heart inside. You had my heart inside. Okay, the B flat comes in on You Had My Heart. You had my heart inside of your hand. Just a passing chord. And you played it A flat to the B. B flat to finish. Let's do it again. Chorus. Could have had it all. B flat. Rolling in the A flat. D. And stay. You had my heart inside. That passing chord of your hand. B flat. And you played it to the B. B flat comes in right at the end, I believe. Played it to the B. I know that's not exactly how I played it the first time, but I think it stays on the A flat a bit longer. We're going to go into the verse 2. Baby, I have no story to be told. B flat. But I've heard you and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Oh, making a home out there and my child won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. Okay, maybe for that, some of you that was too fast. Maybe I should stop drinking coffee, but I won't. I'll have some now. And apparently, spill some. No, I'm okay. Okay, baby. Baby, I have no story to be told. Let's just hold those chords and slow it down. Baby, I have no story to be told. C5 to G5 to B flat 5. But I've heard one on you and I'm gonna make your head burn. It just goes to B flat 5, down to G and back to B flat. C, think of me in the depths of your the sped, making a home down there as mine sure won't be shed. B flat 5, and we go to the pre-chorus again. You've seen it already. Scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. B flat. Scars of your love, they leave me breathless, and I can't help feeling. There's that G. I'm adding a 7 because I feel like it sounds good. We could have had it all. Don't forget the B flat. Could have had it all. B flat, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside of your hand, and you played it A flat to the beat. Had it all. Oh, it goes around again. And you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Why is there an A flat there? Could have had it all. Oh, I think she changes the melody there. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. Maybe not, maybe it just goes around again. Had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it with a beating. And there's actually a verse 3. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings, count your blessings, to find out what look for, to find what look for. That doesn't make sense. Count your blessings to find what look for. Surely there's a word missing. Count your blessings to find what to look for. There's got to be a 2 in there. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. You pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. Not exactly sure how she sings that. To pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. And we go to the pre-chorus again. You're gonna wish you. It's a different pre-chorus. B flat. We could have had it all. Tears are gonna fall, rolling in the deep. But we could have had it all. It's just those same chords going around again. B flat, C minor, B flat. Never had bad me. All the backing vocals coming in. It all. That's where we go to A flat. It all. It all. It all. Rolling in the deep. And then we go to the chorus again one more time. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all, rolling in the deep. Had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat. Okay, you played it to the beat. And that is rolling in the deep. It's not too hard. Hopefully you've managed to get the chords down. That verse. Don't play the third on the B flat. And then the pre-chorus, A flat, B flat, G minor. And G7 to finish. That chorus, C minor, B flat, A flat, B flat, C minor. Same chord, same chord. And then back to the verse, back to the pre-chorus, different pre-chorus later in the song. And yeah, not too tricky, right? Right? Hopefully you managed to get it down. And that was Rolling in the Deep. And I'll see you in the next one, which is going to be Chasing Pavements. So stay tuned for that. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one on Between the Keys. Ciao.